This is our Pea Pod Pearl design. This was another request from me to our artist RJS. Pea pods were very popular last year. It's popular with mothers who have children. A pearl can represent each child. This can hold up to 4 pearls. It is designed by RJS, so there his signature mark right there, his artist mark. It can hold up to 4 pearls. Since they got little indentions for the pearls, you don't have to put 4 pearls in it. You can put 1. See, it's not going to roll around. But, of course, it looks better with 4 pearls. This is another one that would look good if you have multicolored pearls. If you have kids and you want to represent them by different colored pearls, this is perfect for a Mother's Day gift. And you can hear them moving around, but they're not going to fall out as long as you pay attention to the sizing requirements. So they're between 6 and 8 millimeter. They're not going to fall out. Like seed pearls that are like 4 millimeter, I do not recommend it. But your pearls that you get at the Pearl Factory and at Disney Epcot Japan, they will fit perfectly in this pearl cage. Look at that. And even the side view, isn't that amazing? I just love this one. See, they're not going to fall out. It looks like it's going to, but it's not. It's just a trick of the eye. So yeah, this is a very popular gift-giving one. People like to buy it to give it to gifts for their friends, for their mother, for their aunts, for even me who doesn't have kids can appreciate it. It's still beautiful. If you are interested in this pearl cage, you can find it at aosdesign.net. You can also find it in our eBay and Etsy stores, with the store name being AOS Design. Thanks for watching.